Hi, this is Larry Langford, Director of Recreation and Culture for the City of Owasso, and we'd like to welcome you to the first look at the new Waggin Trail Owasso Dog Park. Here we have the entranceway as we come into the bullpen. This is the large dog park area entrance and the small dog park area entrance. I'm entering the large dog park as this is the bullpen, where you will take your dog off leash and enter into the large dog park. The large dog park is approximately 2 acres large. It consists of 5 seating areas, a watering station, ample benches and pet stations, plenty of room for our pets to run around, exert all that extra energy, and enjoy their time. You will also find some leash stations where we can leave your leash, trash cans throughout. Entering back into the bullpen and going to the small dog park, which is approximately 1 acre large. I'm entering the bullpen of the small dog park. Again, the bullpen here is where you take your dog off leash and then enter into the small dog park. As I mentioned, the small dog park is approximately 1 acre large. It consists of 3 seating areas, doggy stations, watering station for both the pet and the owner, you can see on the far edge here, this is the sod we originally laid about 2.5 to 3 weeks ago, and it's starting to green up and to take, which is what we're waiting on now for the rest of the dog park. We've been watering every evening because the dog park does consist of a irrigation watering system. So at the opening, we will have all lush green grass for our dogs to run and play. Here's a view of our bathroom area and the entrance road going into the dog park. Coming right off of our existing McCarthy entrance, heading back down into the parking lot area where our bathrooms are located, as well as our entryway seating area at the front, and the parking lot for the dog park. So there you have it, a tour of our new Owasso Waggin Trail Dog Park. We sure hope to see you here. And remember, the grand opening is September the 8th at 6:30 p.m. here at the Owasso Waggin Trail Dog Park. Hope to see you there.